Okay, 3 minutong nakalipas ng alas 7 ng gabi. Muling nagbabalik sa musical podcast kasama niyo ako, Luna Lily Love. But yeah, let's go! It's Thursday Club Banger Showdown. We're bringing you the best songs with catchy lyrics and uplifting beats that comes from the soul. Alam niyo ba kung bakit excited tuloy akong makinig or sumayaw kasama mo ako? Well, you are excited to hear me sing and dance with you. And you know what? 26 minutes pa mag-i-start ang decades of sounds from classics to now. And you know what? I'm so excited. Do you know what? I'm so excited because of that. Siyempre, nung Wednesday, nag-video lang ako kasi wala pa ako dito sa PR. But don't worry, I'm here. I'm actually here until 7:30 in the evening. So, let's go! It's Thursday night. Kanina pa lang. Ang genre natin ngayon ay Thursday Club Banger Showdown. Siyempre, pang malakasang showdown to. Siyempre, you got Luna Lily Love here at 7:30 in the evening. Get up and dance with me. You are on the zone. Siyempre, you're on the zone. Keep it locked in. And stand up. Siyempre. But don't worry, nandyan si DJ Sting until 8:30 in the evening tonight. So stand up and feel the vibe. Alam niyo ba kung bakit ang galing-galing mong kumembot? Kasi kumembot-kembot lang tayo pagdating sa music. And you know what? Ang pinaka mahilig ko dito, Zumba! Bakit? Kasi as a Zumba instructor, I would definitely agree. Right? Siyempre, pag Vina House Music, si DJ Dreadnox, mahilig dyan sa Vina House Music. But, you know, mapapazumba ka lang. Siyempre, Vina House Music is my favorite genre pagdating sa Zumba. Alam ng mga girls, mahilig mag-Zumba. Alam ko talaga yung basic steps. Siyempre, it's a bit of a warm-up exercise for us. And you know what was exercising is all about. Siyempre, I want to go to the gym. Bakit? Kasi, doon sa Cavite, mura naman daw. 40 pesos daw, daily. Kaya, don't worry. I will definitely show my progress at the gym. But yeah, I had to sing a few more songs before Decades of Sounds will start very soon.